Alright, another day. A little chillier today, but doesn't look like rain, which is good. So a lot has happened off camera with the course, and we're gonna check that out right now. So in the last video we got this built up. I still haven't built a little retaining wall. I don't think I'm going to. I'm not sure yet. We've added some dirt down this end. We had a trash panda or something rip off this. We'll have to fix that later. So yeah, those of you that don't know what a trash panda is, we're talking raccoon. We had our first major delivery of rocks. We're going to be doing that today. We're going to be building up some rocky area here. We have a big pile of dirt happening over in the expansion part. There's Wyatt and his deadbolt. And we started working on the entranceway. So, pretty sure my neighbors think I'm burying a body of some sort, but let's get down in here. Can't really see much, but this actually goes down about to my knees. I'm not exactly sure how many feet deep it is, maybe 2.5, 3 feet deep. Alright, it's gonna connect the two courses. Alright, we actually broke through the other night, so that obviously has to be made bigger and leveled out some more, but the plan is right here is going to be our bridge. As you can see, we can walk across it, and we're going to put a pathway in between the main section of the course here and the expansion here, so you'll be able to sit here and drive like Kinley is here with her little SCX 24 on one side, or you can just turn around and have your truck on the other side, which we're going to build up over here. It's going to be nice. Wyatt giving his hand at some rocks there. So yeah, that's what has changed a lot. And you remember we took out that composter. It is gone. And let's move some rocks, shall we? Alright, got some rocks loaded up. Let's go put it in the course. Alright, not too bad. Not too bad. Got a few to adjust. Maybe put some more back there. Let's zoom out here, take a peek. It's a little better. Alright, there we go. Did a little updates on off camera here. What I'm trying to do is fill in some of the holes with dirt and smaller rocks, so to give it a little more of a natural look. Obviously you can still see the tunnel piece there, which is actually the top of that composter. We reused that, so we cut it off in perfect size for the SCX 24. I'm thinking of putting a rock right across here just to completely make that part disappear. There, how's that look? A little Flintstone-ish, I guess. There we go. So we got the micro crawlers cave, and then we got our 1/10 scale cave with more damn styrofoam, which we will make it a little better looking. It's a matter of finding the right rocks. Cool. Nice job. So one of the problems we have here at Critter Hollow is we have a problem with meteor strikes. And I think I heard on the radio not too long ago that there's a meteor incoming right about now. That was pretty lame. I promise I won't do that again. There we go. A little more of a natural rock formation, I guess. I'm no landscaper, but when I see rocks, I just want to drive stuff over it. Alright folks, well, we're gonna wrap this video here. There wasn't a whole lot of action happening in this one. We got a bunch of rocks done in over there, started our little rock pile here, and I gotta go back and brainstorm a little bit more. Some of you may be wondering what this mess of a garbage is here. That's an idea that I was working on prior getting all these rocks, so I'm not 100% sure this is going to stay. I'm not even going to say what my idea was, just because it was a work in progress and I'm starting to rethink it. So yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Smash that like button, subscribe, and as always, happy trails everyone.